Hi, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great day. So, the other day we read a nonfiction text about the desert habitat. And so today we're going to read another nonfiction text about the rainforest habitat. And if you remember, the desert is a very, very dry place. It can be very hot. It can also be very cold, but it's very dry. In comparison, we'll see that a rainforest is really the opposite of that. It is somewhere that gets rain almost every single day. So just, you can kind of think about and compare the differences and compare the animals and plants and their features and how they've adapted to survive in these two very different environments. And a rainforest animal would not be able to survive in the desert, just like a desert animal would not survive in a rainforest habitat. So just kind of, you can think about the differences between the two habitats as we're reading. A rainforest habitat. What is a habitat? And this was how our desert story started, so I'll kind of go through this quickly. A habitat is a place in nature. Plants live in habitats. Animals live in habitats too. Some animals make homes in habitats. Living and non-living things. There are living things in habitats. Plants and animals are living things. There are also non-living things in habitats. Rocks, water, and dirt are non-living things. Everything they need. Plants and animals need air, water, and food to stay alive. Plants and animals find the things they need in their habitats. This caiman needs water. It swims and finds food in the water. Staying alive. The squirrel monkey lives in a habitat. Everything the monkey needs to stay alive is in its habitat. The monkey has found a piece of fruit to eat. What is a rainforest? A rainforest is a habitat. There are many trees in a rainforest. Rainforests are in parts of the world that get a lot of rain. Rain helps trees grow. Rainforest trees grow to be very tall. The Amazing Amazon. This book is about the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is in South America. Many plants and animals live in this rainforest. The iguana lives in the Amazon rainforest. So we live in North America, and South America is the continent to the south of us. So this is where we're talking about. Rainforest weather. The Amazon rainforest is near the equator. The equator is an imaginary line around the center of Earth. The weather near the equator is hot all year. The weather is hot in the Amazon rainforest. This baby ocelot is hot. It is cooling off in some shade. Pouring rain. It rains almost every day in the Amazon rainforest. When it rains, parts of the rainforest become covered in water. The bottoms of these trees are covered in water. Kind of feels like Pittsburgh in the springtime, huh? Lots of rain. But Pittsburgh is not a rainforest. Teasing. Rainforest plants. Many trees grow in the Amazon rainforest. Rainforest trees are very tall. Some are as tall as apartment buildings. Other plants grow in the Amazon rainforest too. Some of these plants are bushes, others are vines. Flowers and fruit. Many of the plants in the Amazon rainforest have flowers. The flowers are colorful. Some plants also have fruit. Mango trees have both flowers and fruit. Making food. Living things need food to stay alive. Plants make their own food. They make food from sunlight, air, and water. Making food from sunlight, air, and water is called photosynthesis, and that's what we talked about at Fern Hollow with Miss Susie. Taking it all in. A plant gets sunlight through its leaves. It also gets air through its leaves. A plant gets water through its roots. A plant uses sunlight, air, and water to make food. I think that's pretty interesting, pretty amazing. Rainforest animals. These animals live in the Amazon rainforest. They are able to live in this hot, wet habitat. The animals know how to find food. They also know how to find homes. So there's the blue morpho butterfly, the coati, the keel-billed toucan, Amazon river turtles, blue poison frogs, jaguar, and the golden-headed lion tamarin. Finding food. Animals must eat to stay alive. Some animals eat only plants. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. This macaw is a herbivore. It eats nuts and seeds. Eating animals. Other animals are carnivores. Carnivores eat animals. This jaguar is a carnivore. It eats fish, frogs, and turtles. Eating both. Some animals are omnivores. Omnivores eat both plants and animals. This monkey is an omnivore. It eats fruits and insects. Getting energy. All living things need energy. They need energy to grow and to move. Energy comes from sunlight. Plants get energy from sunlight. Animals cannot get energy from sunlight. They get energy by eating other things. A capybara is an herbivore. It gets energy by eating grass. Eating animals. Carnivores get energy by eating other animals. This puma is a carnivore. It gets energy by eating capybaras. So kind of is in a, part of the circle of life in an environment, in an ecosystem. Just kind of part of nature, how that works. In the trees, many rainforest animals live in trees. Some animals swing from tree to tree. This woolly monkey swings from tree to tree. It uses its long arms and strong hands to swing. Flying high. Some rainforest animals fly. Birds and bats are animals that fly. They flap their strong wings. They fly from tree to tree looking for food. The short-tailed bat is flying around looking for food. On the forest floor. Some rainforest animals live on the ground. The ground in the rainforest is called the forest floor. This millipede has many legs. It uses its legs to walk on the forest floor. Life on the bottom. This Brazilian tapir lives in the forest floor, on the forest floor. It rests under trees during the day. At night, it walks around looking for food to eat. The tapir eats fruits, leaves, stems, and other plant parts. I think I'm saying that correctly. In water. A huge river flows through the Amazon rainforest. The river is called the Amazon River. Many animals live in this river. They find food in the river too. Amazonian manatees and Tuskegee dolphins live in the Amazon River. They are both good swimmers. I had to look that one up on the dolphin. So I think I said that correctly. Tuskegee, I'm pretty sure. Staying safe. Rainforest animals must stay safe from the animals that hunt them. They stay safe in different ways. Some rainforest animals live high in the trees to stay safe. Animals that live on the forest floor cannot reach the animals in the trees. This sloth lives high in a tree. Hard to see. These moths have brown bodies. Their bodies are shaped like leaves. There are brown leaves on the forest floor. The moths are safe because they look like the leaves. Other animals may not notice the moths on the forest floor. When I first turned the page, I honestly thought it was a picture of leaves. You have to look really closely to see the moths in that picture, so they're definitely very well camouflaged. Making homes. Some animals make homes in the Amazon rainforest. They stay safe inside their homes. These ants made a home under the ground. They are carrying small pieces of leaves into their home. Nests in trees. Rainforest birds make homes called nests. They make nests in the trees. They use plant parts to make their nest. These jabiru storks made a nest in a tall tree. All right, so that was the rainforest habitat, and you can see that it's very different from the desert habitat, but the animals that live there, just like in the desert, have become used to, adapted. Their features allow them to survive in their environment. So I always think that's pretty interesting to learn about how animals do that. So I hope you're having a great day. Thanks so much for all your hard work. And of course, thank you, grown-ups. And I will talk with you soon. Bye.